How to turn $200 into $2,000 and scale it to $20,000. I'm full-time institutional crypto trader, and this is how I would do it step by step. So let's go. Last year, my public portfolio earned 35% of the total profitability. At the same time, Bitcoin ended up with a loss of 6% and Ethereum more than 10% with a loss. And very shortly, I will show you a strategy how to earn between 1 and 2% per day. And let's go step by step how to turn $200 into $20,000. So here you can see Deribit by Coinbase exchange, but also these trading strategies can be traded on Bybit, OKX and also Binance exchange. And we start with a balance of $200. In here for us is very important to create a system that will generate consistent profit for us and increase portfolio value. To scale $200 to $2,000, we have basically two ways. The first one has very high risk. And with this trading strategy, we can basically earn between 1 and 2% per day. But the risk is also very high. And just in a few seconds, I will show you how exactly this strategy works. And also will show you the real example of it. And 1% per day is already 30% per month, or 365% per year. And if we are taking 2% per year, this is more than 700% per year. So as you can see, this is a crazy profitability, but it has also a high risk. And if we would like to avoid a high risk, we have the second path. We need to add more capital. So we don't need to add a lot of capital. For example, this could be $50 per month or $100 per month. And in this way, we will have a lower risk and will speed up the process to get to $2,000. But first of all, let me show you the strategy how to earn 1% per day. This strategy called Iron Condor. And for this strategy, we need to trade options. But don't be scared, options are not that difficult and very profitable. So I said it's possible to earn between 1 and 2% per day. But the risks are also very high. And full step-by-step for this strategy I have on my channel. And the link you will find in the description below. But let me explain you briefly how it works. So here you can see the graph of Ethereum. And let's assume that price of Ethereum in the next 3 days will be somewhere in this price range between $3,300 and $3,000. So as you can see, the price range is very wide, and if the price of Ethereum will stay between these price ranges, I will make a very nice profit. And let's take a look how much I can get. So first of all, here you can see the total account value is equal to $200. So as you can see, I have 201 USDC and 0 Ethereum. So all the premiums I'm going to receive in Ethereum, and after I execute this strategy, the balance of Ethereum will increase. And let's execute this trade. And as I said, the lower bound is equal to $3,000. So let's execute this one. And because my balance is relatively small, I have to execute first of all the buy side. So I have to buy the put option. And let's buy it. Buy, create order, done. And now let's sell the put option. So click on it, adjust the price, click on the sell button, create order, and it's done. And the upper bound is equal to $3,300. And let's execute this one as well. So I'm going to close this put option window, and I start with a buy side as well here. So buy, create order, and it's done. And then sell order. So click on it. So let's adjust to 65, sell, create order, and it's done as well. So the both legs are done. In here you can see I have the maximum loss of $100 on the lower bound and also $100 on the upper bound. And now let's take a look how much premium I collected. So here you can see 4 trades that I have done, and let's take a look what is the current account balance that I have. And as you can see, after the last trade was done, the account balance is equal to 0.0038 Ethereum. And let's take a look how much is it in dollars. And here you can see, for example, 0.0037 Ethereum is equal to more than $11. So time to expiry in this case is equal to roughly 3 days. So 0.0038 Ethereum is roughly equal to $12. So $12 divided by 3 days until the expiration date will be roughly equal to $4 per day. And as a result, $4 are equal to roughly 2% per day. And by the way, I will be very thankful to you if you can hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. This helped me a lot to produce a new high quality videos for you, so that you can watch and learn how to trade options and earn passive income. So subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and let's go. But this is very risky, because in case price of Ethereum after 3 days will be higher than $3,300 or lower than $3,000, I can have a loss. But this strategy is a great way to increase the balance very fast. But because we would like to build a system that will generate consistent passive income and turn $200 into $2,000, the best way to do this is to add capital each month and generate consistent income every day or every week. And in this way, we will be able to reach $2,000. And when we reach our account value to $2,000, we can start to use different strategies and continue to increase our portfolio value. And let me show you the real example from my public portfolio. In my first episode, I started my public portfolio with a total balance of $2,002 in the beginning of 2025. In the first month, I was able to earn $110 with a quite low risk. After 4 months of trading, my account value was equal already to $2,400. And I finished the year with a total value of my portfolio of $2,700, or with a total profitability of 35%, with a quite low risk. And all episodes of my public portfolio you can find on my YouTube channel. For each month I have a short review. Can you remember how much money have you lost in the previous years? How much would it be if you sum all together? So that's why here is the main goal: stop to lose money and accumulate them to get to the next level and to generate consistent income, and also increase the value of the portfolio. And I will show you soon, when the portfolio will be $2,000 or even $20,000, that it's possible to make very nice profit. But let's take a look with a real example what we can earn with $2,000. In this case, I can already start to sell covered puts. And by the way, the full step-by-step guide how to sell put option I have on my channel. So if you haven't heard how to sell put option, I strongly recommend to watch this video, because this is a great way to receive consistent income. And let me show you the example. So here you can see the total account value is equal to $2,000 and I have 2000 USDC. And for example, what I can already do is to sell the put option. For example, here I have the options that are going to expire after 44 days at the end of February 2026. And let's assume that I'm ready to buy Ethereum at the price of $2,900, which is almost 10% lower than the current market price of $3,200 of Ethereum. So as you can remember, my total account value is equal to $2,000. So that means if the price of Ethereum will be lower than $2,900 after 44 days, I will buy Ethereum at the price of $2,900. And in this case, I will need additional $900. So as you can see, this is quite a leveraged trade. But in the case I will get additional funds and also I will be able to manage this position, I can already enter this trade. So and let's take a look how to do this. So I'm going to click on the strike price, select the price, click on the sell button, create order, and it's done. So and that means after 44 days, the time value of this option will equal to 0. And my income will be equal to 0.038 Ethereum or $121. And by the way, if you would like to learn more about the options, you can join my free Discord channel, where you can find my trades, market analysis, and also chat with me. So see you in my Discord channel. The link you will find in the description below. And for example, with a midterm maturity, I can continue to trade the Iron Condor. But this I should do only when the implied volatility is very high. Because in this case, I can receive a very high premiums and the range will be even wider. So that means I will have a less risk. And as it was in the beginning, if I am able to add the capital to my account value, I can grow my account even faster. Because I will be able to trade more and earn more income. And depends on how much capital I am able to add to my account value and how profitable are the trades, the account value will be equal to $20,000. And here begins the most interesting part, because this is a mid-size portfolio that can generate very nice income. And let me show you exactly how much. So here you can see the total account value of $20,000. And at this period of time, this can be splitted between, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also stable coins. And this will be a portfolio that can generate daily, weekly, and also monthly income. And depends on the structure of the portfolio, we can sell, for example, more aggressively the puts or calls. For example, with the full amount in the stable coins, I can sell the put options and be ready to buy Bitcoin at the price of $91,000. And in this case, for example, I am able to sell 0.2 Bitcoin put option, and by selling this put option at the price of 0.0023, I will be able to collect more than $40. And this is quite nice results for only 3 days. Or I can split. For example, I can sell put option for a notional amount of 0.1 Bitcoin and receive the premium of $20. And let's do that. So let's sell it at the price of 22. Sell, create order. So it's done. So I just collected $20 in Bitcoin. Because all the premiums are paid in Bitcoin on Deribit. And because I have still enough capital, I can go to Ethereum options and sell Ethereum put options. For example, I can select the Ethereum options with time to expiry of 9 days, select the strike price, so let's say I'm ready to buy Ethereum at the price of $3,000. So this is 6% lower than the current price of Ethereum. And let's say I am ready to buy free Ethereum at the price of $3,000. So this will be equal to $9,000 in sum. And for that, I can receive the premium of almost $90. So and let's do that. So I'm going to click on it, select the contracts which will be equal to free. So I'm ready to buy free Ethereum at the price of $3,000. So I'm going to adjust the price to 0.0090 Ethereum. So as you can see, 0.090 Ethereum is equal to $29. And this premium I receive upfront. So let's click on the sell button. And as you can see, for my readiness to buy free Ethereum at the price of $3,000, I am going to receive upfront 0.027 Ethereum, which is equal to roughly $90. And let's create the order. And it's done. And all these premiums with $20,000 are really feasible. And also the total annual profitability is quite high in dollar value. For example, if we take $20,000 and multiply, let's say, with 20% of annual return. So as you can remember, my profitability was equal to 35% in 11 months. So 20% of profitability is possible to reach. And in this case, the total annual income that we are going to receive from the options is equal to $4,000. And if we divide this $4,000 with 12 months, we get more than $300 per month. And this is quite nice income. And with compound interest, the value of the portfolio will increase even higher and higher every month. So that's why learn about the options, how to trade them in the right way, and how to generate consistent income. And this you can do if you subscribe to my channel and watch my next video. So see you in the next video. Bye!